Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add WhatsApp contact shortcut on home screen. Friends, it's better to make a shortcut of all the contacts with whom you chat most in WhatsApp. Now suppose I want to make a shortcut of this contact. To make a shortcut of this contact, I need to press on these three dots. Now here press on more. Now here in options, press on add shortcut. Now close your WhatsApp. Now here at your home screen, you will find shortcut of your WhatsApp contact. Now by pressing on this shortcut, you will open chat window of this WhatsApp contact directly. So friends, like this you can very easily make shortcut of all the WhatsApp contacts with whom you chat the most. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.